Hi everyone, I'm Kai the Koala, and welcome to our Let's Go 2 homework adventure. Today, we'll have fun while working through your workbook together. Don't forget, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video and catch up. Ready? Let's go! Today, we're reviewing Unit 5 Things to Eat, my favorite. On page 39, in Part A, the directions say read and trace. Don't forget, trace means to follow the lines and write. In number 1, it says, "What's for lunch, Mom?" Mom says, "Spaghetti." Ooh, yum! You know what we need to do. Trace. Nice. Number 2 says, that's good. I like spaghetti. I do too. Do you like spaghetti? Number 3 says, do you want spaghetti? Yes, please. No, thank you. But spaghetti's so good, why wouldn't he want spaghetti? I don't know, but let's trace. Part B says look, read, and check. Number 1 says, do you want spaghetti? Ooh, if you look at the picture of the girl, she's going like this. Do you think she wants spaghetti? Yes, please. Number 2, do you want a candy bar? Look at the boy. He's going like this. No, thank you. For numbers 3 and 4, look at the picture and check your answer. In number 3, we can see that she wants an orange, so we'll check, yes, please. In number 4, if we look at the picture, he's going like this. No, thank you. Good job. Let's go to the next page. On page 40, in Part A, we are going to use the words in the box. An omelet, a peach, a pear, a pancake, yogurt, cereal, tea, and hot chocolate. In number 1, we see a picture of hot chocolate. Ooh, yummy. Let's trace. In number 2, we see a picture of good, tea. In numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, please look at the picture and write down your answer. Okay, number 3, 4, and 7, and 8, they were pretty easy. But number 5 and 6, what is that? I don't know. So let's see which words we have left. We have an omelet and yogurt. You use eggs for omelets. So which picture kind of looks like we can use eggs? Good. Number 6 is an omelet. That means number 5 is yogurt. Good job. Let's move on to Part B. Part B says unscramble and write. Unscramble means to take the words or the letters and move it around to put it in the right place. Number 1 says, he, pear, wants. So confusing. But there's a big hint. One of the words has a capital letter. That one will go in the beginning. So we put he first. What does he do? He wants. What does he want? A pear. Let's trace. Great job. Number 2, let's find the capital letter. Omelet wants she, un. She. She will go first. Okay, what does she do? She wants. What does she want? Omelet. But not just omelet, she wants an omelet. Good job. In number 3 and 4, you're going to do the same thing. So let's write our answers and we'll check. Number 3 says, he wants cereal. And number 4 says, she wants a pancake. Good. Let's go to the next page. On page 41 in part C, the directions say look and check. We are going to look at the pictures to answer the questions. Number 1, does she want cereal? Ooh, look at her face. If you want cereal, do you make that kind of face? I don't think so. So, our answer to the question is no, she doesn't. Numbers 2, 3, and 4, we will do the same thing. Look at the picture and check your answer. We'll be back to check them in a few. Let's check your answers. Number 2, does he want hot chocolate? Yes, he does. Number 3, does she want a peach? Yes, she does. And number 4, does he want yogurt? No, he doesn't. Good. In part D, we are going to read, connect, and write. Number 1 says, what does she want? If we look at this circle that's connected to this circle, she wants tea. Let's trace. For number 2, let's check. What does he want? We're going to look at this dot and go to this dot. Oh, he wants a pancake. Very good. Let's write. Very good. Number 3. What does she want? We'll start here and whoop. Oh, remember from the page before? Good. She wants an omelet. Great. And last one. What does he want? We'll start here, go up, 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 up. He wants hot chocolate. Ooh, I want hot chocolate too now. All right, please check your answers and let's go to the next page. On page 42, we're going to solve this crossword puzzle. We're going to use the words in the box: grapes, pancakes, peaches, hamburgers, stew, cheese, pasta, and steak. Oh, they all sound so yummy. We're going to look at the pictures and write down what kind of food it is. Number 1, going across. Well, it's the fruit, and if we look here, it starts with the letter G. What fruit starts with the letter G? Grapes. Very nice. Good job. Fill in the rest of the crossword puzzle and we'll check your answers together. Okay, let's check our answers. Number 1 we already did, grapes. Number 2 across is hamburgers. Number 3 across is stew. Stew is a kind of soup. It has many vegetables in it, there's meat in it, it's pretty yummy. Number 4 across, pancakes, yum. And number 5 down is peaches. Number 6 going down is steak. Oh, yum. And number 7 going down is cheese. Number 8 going down is pasta. Double check your answers and let's move on to part B. If we look at the directions, it says read and write. Number 1, what does she like? What is she holding in her hand? Oh, She likes hamburgers. Let's trace and write. Number 2. What he He likes How do we ask this question? What does he like? Very good. He likes grapes. Let's write. Great job. Let's go to the next page. On page 43 in part C, it says, let's read and write. Number 1. Does she like pancakes? Yes, she does. In number 2, it's asking, does he like? We need to look at the picture and answer the question. No, he doesn't. For numbers 3 and 4, we are going to write the question and the answer. Don't forget, we need to check, is it a boy or a girl? And also, do they like it or do they not like it? Go ahead, trace number 1 and 2, and write down your answers for 2, 3, and 4. Let's check our answers. In number 2, the question is asking, does he like cheese? No, he doesn't. Number 3, does she like pasta? No, she doesn't. Number 4, does he like steak? Yes, he does. Check your answers and we'll move on. In part D, it says, read and match. Number 1 says, what does he like? He likes hamburgers. So let's find the picture where there's a heart and hamburgers. Good job. For numbers 2, 3, and 4, you're going to read the questions and match them with the picture. Let's check our answers. Number 2, you should have drawn a line to the picture with grapes. And number 3, you should have drawn the line to the picture of stew in a bowl. And last, you should have drawn a line up to the picture of peaches. Let's move on. On page 44, you can do it on your own. You're going to trace and circle. Write the word leaf and circle the picture. In number 2, you're going to trace the word we and circle the picture. Same for 3 and 4. In part B, you're going to use the words in the box on the right side. Then, you're going to draw a line from the picture to the word. Easy, right? You can do it. Let's go! You did a really good job today. I'll see you in the next lesson.